Hello and welcome to the Boston Structural Heart course. This is another one of the course director's messages, and since the course is around the corner on August 11th to 13th, that is next month, so I decided to give you another update on our Boston Structural Heart course, which is supposed to be a virtual live course regarding an in-depth three-dimensional imaging and imaging for structural heart disease interventions. My co-directors of the course, Dr. Mahboobi, Dr. Bose, and Dr. Sharkey, have addressed various unique aspects of the course in the last few months. So here's what the purpose of this message is, because I want to highlight the motto of the course, and that relates to its practical nature. We plan to present nothing which is unimportant clinically. As a matter of fact, the motto of our course is learn it today and do it tomorrow. This is in reference to the recent advent of three-dimensional imaging and its application in the clinical arena. Multiple manufacturers have come up with different machines and different terminologies and a dizzying array of consoles and knobs that are often very confusing. And sometimes it's only a software upgrade or a new machine that comes into the system in the operating room that makes you feel ignorant, helpless, and sometimes intimidated on the nature of the knobs and the change in terminology. The purpose of this course is to demystify this knowledge and highlight the similarities as opposed to the differences between the systems. While the knobs and the systems and their application changes, the physics of ultrasound and the physics of three-dimensional imaging remain the same, and that is the purpose of this course, is to make you experts on the physics so that you play and optimize the image using the physics of ultrasound as opposed to a specific knobs of the system. That's why the motto of the course is learn it today and do it tomorrow, because by learning and going through the practical aspects of this course, you will be able to manipulate and play and optimize the image with any three-dimensional echocardiography system. Having said that, this course is particularly very important for the incoming cardiac anesthesia and cardiology fellows who are involved in imaging for structural heart disease interventions. This would be just about the right time to have a foundation of knowledge on three-dimensional imaging and imaging for structural heart disease interventions that you can build on in the later part of your fellowships, having established this basic knowledge. So I would strongly encourage all cardiology and cardiac anesthesia fellows to attend this course and learn the art of three-dimensional imaging. Having said that, I have often been asked this question, and people have asked me, well, the program that I work at does not do any imaging for structural heart disease interventions. So why should I attend this course? Well, having been in the business long enough, I can tell you that this is exactly what people said about three-dimensional imaging. That our surgeons are not used to this thing, our systems do not do three-dimensional imaging, and we really can do as well with two-dimensional imaging, therefore, why should we learn 3D imaging? Well, structural heart disease interventions are exponentially increasing in the country. There are programs in getting involved in structural heart disease interventions on a daily basis. So this is something that you will encounter in your career if you haven't encountered or dealt with in the recent times. Attending this course and expanding your knowledge of advanced three-dimensional imaging and an introduction to structural heart disease imaging and interventions would be an investment in your own future. For a year, 5 years, or even 10 years, redefining your career, knowing a new art and a new technique that will help you be involved in the exciting new specialty of guiding structural heart disease interventions. Therefore, I strongly encourage you to sign up for this course, and I assure you that you will not be disappointed and find this course very helpful and a unique course to make your knowledge and practical knowledge of three-dimensional imaging as well as imaging for structural heart disease interventions. Good luck, and hope to see you soon in the Boston Structural Heart course on August 11th to 13th, that is next month. Thank you very much.